it's your boy Elisha. You're welcome to elishaboattours. So we are going to have a short boat tours to explore different places around here. So we are going to visit.
Come here so that they can see.
We are going to visit one of the best islands, which is known as Peace Island, and after that we are visiting some hotels. The best one, which is known as Cleo Hotel. Welcome.
Yo. So stay in tune, guys. It's dancing. Iyi phone se ni yandi mwana kitagoma amazi cyangwa yacu. Munsi saba harimo iki muri ubu bwato butuma amazi atinjira. Tugomba kwicara tubalansinze gututa. Oh. So this is the boat, guys. When you're visiting the place, when you come to Karongi, you need to take a tour around this place, beautiful place. So this is the boat, Elisha boat tour. Yes, I have showed you a website. You can maybe talk to the company.
In the description you mentioned.
Yeah, in the description you're gonna have, yes, we're gonna put down everything so that you can contact them. So stay in tune, guys.
What is this place?
This is heaven.
Special discount. We have a special discount this period, so you're welcome. You're welcome. You're most welcome. So I invite you, all of you guys.
Give people out there some
a very special discount.
Give there some image or some idea in their mind.
Everything is available on our website. We will put our website on the description. So
also
check below.
Is this your website here?
Yeah, you can also see our website, but make sure you check the description and you subscribe on this channel.
Okay, this channel called the Haso Yangu KGL. So
Haso Yangu KGL.
Young
KGL in Karongi.
Entrepreneur. So he needs the support. He invested abroad to build his future. So guys, make sure do it for love, do it for family. So he's a young entrepreneur, so he needs support, really, guys. So come now, we take a little tour again on the Peace Island or Island Peace, something like that. So peace up, guys.